guys, what's up YouTube? This is Exotic Girl here, back with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title, I've actually made a meal for you guys, well, for me. But I just want to keep trying to get you guys some more videos. So I recorded myself cooking today. So if you want to see how I got this right here, pause the video for a second. Just let me know if you guys like this video. Comment and subscribe to this channel. Like I said, this is just something I was cooking. I said let me record it. So yeah, you guys, I'll be probably doing a voiceover on this video. But like I said, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned to see how I complete this dish. This is bow tie chicken Alfredo. Alright you guys, I'm going to show you how I season the chicken. So I basically rinse it with water first. Then you want to lightly season the chicken. It's very important because you're going to have a lot of flavor in your Alfredo. So you don't want to overly season the chicken. Right here I'm using season all, black pepper, and that's pretty much it to season the chicken. Before we crash, hit the brakes on call when I got to your place on still getting voicemail, oh no. You leave a voicemail, oh no. Hey, looks like we at the Alright you guys, so I just want to point out that I actually poured a little bit too much water. So I'm going to pour some out off camera. But we're just going to put a little bit of water so that the meat doesn't stick to the pan while it's baking. And I'll come back. Alrighty, so right here I'm just showing you guys that I am cooking it for 30 minutes. Do not overcook the meat. You want to make sure the chicken is almost done and you finish cooking it with the noodles, okay? But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it some. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to show you the ingredients that I did put into this food. So the mushroom cream I did not use and parsley flakes I did not use. But everything else I did put into my food, guys. And I absolutely love this Alfredo, y'all. I love it, love it, love it. My grandma's the one that actually did this. But I don't even know if I'm following her recipe. So I'm sorry, Granny. But yes, you guys, it was so good. But okay, let's get back into the video. My body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend. Oh yes, you guys, I forgot to mention everything I use and everything I put in the food will be in the description box. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure if I put 4 or 5 quarts of water because I did use 2 boxes.
So I think the box said about 4 quarts, but I don't know, y'all. I'm sorry. I should have measured.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it. Don't you what you want.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, the dick, I'm throwing a fit. Right around the you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else but you. Nobody else would make this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the truth, right around the
That's nuts, Lily.
My last nigga was a nigga. I need a nigga with about 6 figures. And it's someone who know what to do with it. Someone who ain't on that goofy shit. I need to know what you gon' do. I ain't tryna go through deja vu. It's some bull that I've been through. Oh, it's not the same with you. Come make me feel away. Days know I never change. Yeah, relieve all the pain. Make me forget those things. Oh, I wanna lay with you. See what this thing will do. Yeah, put me on something new. Put me on, cause I want something, something that I can feel. I want something that I know when it's real. I want something, something that I can feel. Come and put me on the real.
And I know you ain't never had nobody in your life that'll come through and do you right. Don't you let me change your life.
Alrighty, you guys, so here I am about to pour the water out of the noodles off camera so you guys can see. Then I'm gonna put the sauce and everything's gonna start coming together. I'm gonna put the chicken in there, season it up, just keep on watching.
Make you forget those things. Yeah, I wanna lay with you. I'll show you what this thing gon' do to you. But you want something new. You
I want something, something that I can feel. I want something that I know when it's real. I want something, something that I can feel. Come and put me on my real.
That's nuts, Lily.
Swam now with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, it's very important to keep it off of the heat while you're about to stir in the sauce and the chicken and everything. It was really tough for me because I didn't realize I needed water at the bottom. But it's okay, guys. Like I said, I kept on cooking. I kept on going. I didn't know I needed water at the bottom, but it's okay. I figured it out once I got to cooking and I realized it was getting stuck. But yes, you guys.
Stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the ink in it, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. If you're loving every night, it make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine.
Yes, so right. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? It's just oh so satisfying. It ain't done yet, but y'all, come on now. I want to take a bite right now. Okay, I wanted to take a bite right now, y'all. Right, you guys, so once I had put the bow tie noodles on the stove, I just want to point out that I actually let them cook for about 13 minutes before I even drained the water and put the sauce and chicken and stuff in there. And then I cooked it additionally for another 15 minutes. So I left the heat on 3. Okay, so that's what we're cooking it on. I just want to put that out because I don't think I mentioned that, and I know I might forget. So yeah, I'm taste testing and adding more flavor right now. Alrighty, so we're gonna cook it for an additional 15 minutes, and I'll come right back as soon as I'm almost done.
Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind minds blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, it's just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build two different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
Would you have even told me about this?
Crazy. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about
As you can see, as soon as I tasted it, I already knew. Okay, baby, when I'm telling you it's giving color, it's giving everything. It was so good, you guys. It is so good. Like, I'm not being biased. Like, it was legitimate good. Okay, like, look at that. Look at that. Are you serious? The one and only. Yes, like, oh my God. I want to get some right now. If I could show you guys what it's giving right now, it's giving very much I was either hungry or it was just bomb, okay? But yes, you guys, all right, I'm just gonna let you guys look at that and I'll come back towards the end.
Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. If you got to see everything to the end, you saw that I made my plate. It was delicious. Okay, delicious. Super, super good. Like, guys, super good, y'all. So I'm gonna try to figure out what next video I'm gonna do. So I might start doing like talk with me, or like Thursday talk or Friday talk, whatever I'm thinking. I'm gonna figure it out, and you guys, so we're gonna talk about things, celebrities, whatever the case may be, because I want to talk about on that show with me. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Mwah. Bye guys.